So you're here because you're trying to figure out whether GoHighLevel or Salesforce is the better fit for your business. Maybe you've heard that Salesforce is the king of CRMs, but people keep talking about how GoHighLevel is shaking things up. And now you're stuck wondering which one actually makes sense for you. I get it. Choosing a CRM is a big deal. It's not just some software that you sign up for and forget about. It's the backbone of how you handle leads, customers, marketing, sales, and even automation. You pick the wrong one and you could end up with a bloated, expensive system that slows you down instead of helping you grow. So let's cut through the noise, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which CRM is right for your business. No fluff, just a practical comparison between GoHighLevel and Salesforce so you can make the best decision. Let's jump in. So what are GoHighLevel and Salesforce? Salesforce, the enterprise giant. Now, Salesforce is one of the biggest names in the CRM world. If you've worked for a big company, then there's a good chance you've already used it. And there's a reason for that. Salesforce is insanely powerful when it comes to organizing customer data, managing sales teams, tracking analytics, and integrating with pretty much every business tool under the sun. But here's the catch. Salesforce is not very simple. If you don't have a dedicated team or a lot of time to learn it yourself, you're probably going to struggle with setting it up, and even more so with actually using it every day. GoHighLevel, the complete solution for small businesses and agencies. Now, GoHighLevel, totally different story. Instead of being a traditional CRM that focuses only on managing customers, GoHighLevel is built for marketing and sales automation. It's got tools for running email campaigns, sending SMS messages, building sales funnels, scheduling appointments, and even managing reputation, all in one place. This means less bouncing between different tools, less worrying about integrations, and a much easier learning curve compared to Salesforce. So if you're running a marketing agency, a coaching business, or a small to medium-sized business that needs a straightforward, all-in-one system, then GoHighLevel might just be exactly what you're looking for. Feature breakdown. How do they compare? So let's put HighLevel and Salesforce head-to-head and see how they stack up in 4 major areas: CRM and sales automation, marketing automation and lead generation, ease of use and learning curve, and pricing and cost breakdown. So let's break it down. Number 1, CRM and sales automation. How well do they manage your customers? A CRM, or a customer relationship management system, is supposed to make your life easier by helping you manage leads, track interactions, and organize your sales process. But here's the thing, not all CRMs do this the same way. Salesforce, the enterprise giant with endless customization. Salesforce is without a doubt one of the most powerful CRMs on the market. It's trusted by massive companies with large sales teams who need advanced automation, pipeline tracking, and deep analytics. If you're running a big corporate sales team, Salesforce is built for you. You can create highly detailed sales workflows, assign leads and tasks to different sales reps automatically, use AI-driven lead scoring to focus on high-value prospects, get deep analytics on every single customer interaction. But here's the catch. It's complicated. This isn't the kind of CRM you just sign up for and start using the same day. Most businesses have to hire a Salesforce consultant just to set it up properly. And even after that, it can take weeks or even months to train a team to use it efficiently. That's a deal breaker for a lot of small businesses. GoHighLevel, the fast, simple, all-in-one approach. GoHighLevel takes a completely different approach. Instead of trying to be everything for everyone, it focuses on speed, ease, and automation. So you can go from lead to sale without jumping through a million hoops. With GoHighLevel, you get a simple pipeline system for tracking leads from first contact to sale, automated follow-ups through email, SMS, and phone, a built-in appointment scheduler to streamline your sales calls. No IT team required, just plug in your info and start selling. For a small business, marketing agency, or solo entrepreneur, this is exactly what you need. If you don't have time to spend weeks learning a new system or money to hire a consultant, GoHighLevel is the smarter choice. Winner? Salesforce if you have a large sales team and need deep customization. GoHighLevel if you're a small business or agency looking for simple, effective automation. Number 2, marketing automation and lead generation. Who does it better? Now let's talk about marketing tools, because these days a CRM isn't just about tracking customers. You also need a system that helps you bring in new leads and turns them into customers automatically. GoHighLevel, a full marketing suite built in. It's an all-in-one platform that gives you a drag and drop funnel builder similar to something like ClickFunnels. You get email and SMS marketing automation built into your CRM. There's a reputation management tools for handling online reviews, social media scheduling and posting tools so you don't need an extra platform. There's an automated appointment booking that syncs with your leads. So this means you don't don't need to pay extra for software like MailChimp, ClickFunnels, or Active Campaigns because GoHighLevel does all of that for you. Salesforce, marketing automation, but with a catch. Now, Salesforce does have marketing automation features, but there's a problem. Most of them cost extra. If you want features like automated email and SMS campaigns, social media integration, lead nurturing tools, and funnel building capabilities, you'll probably need to pay for add-ons like Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which can drastically increase your monthly costs. This is why most small businesses don't use Salesforce for marketing. It's just not built for them. Winner, GoHighLevel for marketing agencies and businesses that want all-in-one solution. Salesforce if you already have a separate marketing tools and you just need a CRM. 3, ease of use and learning curve. Can you actually use it? So let's be honest. It doesn't matter how powerful a tool is if you can't figure out how to use it. Salesforce. Powerful but overwhelming. So Salesforce is a beast. It's one of the most advanced CRMs out there, but that also makes it one of the hardest to use. Even their own documentation says most companies need professional training just to use it properly. And if you don't set it up the right way, you'll never unlock its full potential, which is why so many businesses end up frustrated. GoHighLevel. Set it up and start using it today. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is designed to be simple. The dashboard is clean and intuitive. Everything's clearly labeled, and most users can get up and running in just a few hours with no training required. Now, if you want something that just works, GoHighLevel is the clear winner. So the winner is GoHighLevel if you want a CRM that's easy to use right away. And Salesforce if you have the time and resources to invest heavily into training. Number 4, pricing. What's the real cost? Salesforce. Expensive with lots of add-ons. At first glance, Salesforce seems pretty affordable, starting at $25 per user per month. But here's the problem. That's just the base price. If you want automation, extra cost. Advanced reporting, extra cost. AI features, extra cost. Marketing tools, extra cost. By the time most businesses actually set up Salesforce properly, they're paying $300 to $500 per user per month. GoHighLevel. Simple pricing, everything included. Now, GoHighLevel keeps things simple and transparent. They have a starter plan at $97 per month, an unlimited plan at $297 per month, and a SaaS Pro plan at $497 per month. That's it. No hidden fees, no paying extra for automation, no surprise add-ons. So the winner, GoHighLevel if you want a predictable, all-in-one pricing model. And Salesforce if you have a big budget and need custom enterprise features. Now, if you go ahead and click on the link down below and you get set up with your free trial, you're logged in and set up, this is what you'll be met with inside of GoHighLevel. So this is the dashboard right here. I just created this account, so there's nothing in it yet, but as you can see, we've got everything that we need over here on the left-hand side that we need. We've got the agency dashboard. We've got prospecting here below that. So this is like the CRM where you can come in and add your prospects. We've got the account snapshots here, and here we have a reselling portion here. So what's cool about GoHighLevel is that you can sell it as a white label software. So you can actually sell GoHighLevel to other people so they can build out their business systems, and you're going to make money off of that. Below that, they have add-ons here, so you can go ahead and add some other stuff if you need it. There's an affiliate portal right here, and this is where you can go ahead and see all of your earnings. Now, Salesforce, on the other hand, when you go ahead and get signed up, this is what it looks like inside of Salesforce. So I went ahead and just got started on their free trial as well. And again, there's no information in here, so this is exactly what it'll look like once you go ahead and get signed up. Now, over here on the left-hand side, we've got contacts, accounts, sales, service, outreach, commerce, generative canvas, as well as your account. So let's go ahead and take a look in here at contacts so we can kind of get a feel for this. So this is where you go ahead and input all of your individual contacts. So individual people who work at companies, and companies are more like accounts. So if we come down here to accounts, we can go ahead and see this area. So, you might have one account with many contacts, or you might have one account with one contact. So here's just a very basic look at both Salesforce and GoHighLevel. All right, so now that we've gone through all the key differences, let's make this simple. Go with Salesforce if you run a large enterprise with complex sales processes. You need deep customization and enterprise level integrations. You have the budget and resources to hire a consultant or in-house Salesforce expert. You should go with HighLevel if you're a small to medium-sized business that needs an all-in-one marketing and CRM tool. You want an easy-to-use platform that doesn't require weeks of training. You want flat rate pricing with no hidden costs. So what's the bottom line? Salesforce is a great CRM, but only if you have the time, team, and budget to make it work. For most small businesses and agencies, though, GoHighLevel is the better choice. It's easier to use, way more affordable, and gives you all the tools that you actually need without the extra fluff. Now, I want to hear from you. Which CRM are you thinking about using? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Now, if you want to get started with either of these products, we'll have links for you down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.